Aren't you gonna shoot your shot? Ew, what are you doing?
For good luck.
I want to try and go your Tommy. The things to lose weight in this reduce calories and increase physical activities. Change your diet, avoid sugary drinks, cold drinks, and drinks, high sugars, eat less fast food, fried food, and bakery items, consume more vegetables, salad, pulses, fruits, and proteins. For example, eggs, fish, chicken. Keep drink light, eat slowly, do not overeat. Second, daily exercise. Take a breaks, walk for 30 to 60 minutes daily. Use the starts in called light runnings, cycling or exercise. Building exercise 2 to 3 times a week are also useful. 3 number water and sleep. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep. Goals are responsible. Paces of weight lose is about 0.5 to 1 kg per week.